So here is the Olympus OZ105R. Here is the battery compartment using one CR123 battery. Okay, so next thing, pull it out, open the back cover, then the film, you put it here, slide into it, and make sure that it's flat. Then we look into it. Okay, put that here, then we just close it and it will auto load. How to make sure whether you have loaded properly? When you open the film on the camera, here will show figure 1, which means that you can start shooting right now. So here is the zoom, here is the shutter, so you just half press. Okay, if a green light keep blinking, which means that it's out of focus, you cannot press the shutter. Yeah, unless it doesn't blink, then click it. Okay, so here's the flash mode and the timer. Then here's the date. So about the date, if you want to adjust it, you see now it's keep blinking, which means that you can adjust by right now. When you click the set, then it will adjust. This one is the timer, yeah. And if I want to switch, click the mode. Okay, so I can adjust the mode by myself by clicking it, like different format. Oops. Okay, like this means off. If I want to like adjust, I just click it, click for a while. Okay, when it blink, then I just adjust it. Then click to another one, adjust, and click for another one. Yeah, if you're okay, then yeah, it's like this. Then you just shoot, and if you're imprinting in your film. And here is designed for those people who have rest back. If you look, the viewfinder is blur, then you adjust it until it's clear, which means that it's okay already. Yeah. Then this one is the panorama mode. When you on it, inside the viewfinder will become narrow. If you off it, it will become bigger. Yeah. So when you want to shoot, the center part of the viewfinder will have a dot. So you just use that dot to aim whatever you want to shoot. Half press. If it doesn't blink, click it. So it's just that simple. And when you want to off it, wait until the lens go into it, then only you off it. And when inside got film, don't open it unless you shoot finish. It rewind, then only you take out the film. Yeah.